This is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check how many time you spent on NotCoin on the Telegram bot app. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So if you're on your iPhone, you want to go to your settings. From settings, go to screen time. If you don't have it enabled already, enable it. From there you want to click on see all apps and website activity. And now this is basically the screen that shows you stuff in general, like you can see a week, a day, today, other days and whatever. But basically you want to scroll down and find Telegram. So you see Telegram here, you want to tap on it and it tells me that I've been on Telegram 9 minutes today. Now, of course, if you use Telegram to chat and to play the NotCoin, then it's going to tell you for both. It doesn't recognize which is which, but you can get a good estimate of how much time you spent on it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.